As the vulnerability of women to human rights violations is compounded where armed conflict occurs, the United Nations Development Fund for Women launched the 2010 Gender Report Card and the International Criminal Court by holding a joint press conference with the Women's Initiative for Gender Justice at the United Nations headquarters on Tuesday. The 2010 Gender Report Card reviews all the major judicial developments and proceedings of the ICC, including investigations and witness protection issues.
We should be in no doubt that there is a justice crisis when it comes to justice for women, in conflict and post-conflict as well. But around conflict, the point is that many of the crimes that women experience, displacement, theft of property, separation from children, loss of child custody, but above all, the physical atrocities and especially sexual violence in conflict haven't even been recognized as war crimes.
The International Criminal Court has brought charges for gender-based crimes in all 4 situations before the court where indictments have been issued. So in Uganda, in the DRC, in Sudan and in the Central African Republic. They have also included charges in relation to sexualized violence against 6 out of 10 individuals. So 6 out of 10 individual cases include charges for gender-based crimes.
The Women's Initiative for Gender Justice is an international women's human rights organization that advocates for prosecution of gender-based crimes by the ICC in situations where evidence of crimes against women, such as rape and sexual assault, exist.
We are trying to push for implementation of the UN Security Council Resolution 1820 and 1325, and this is through building the capacity of the women, building the capacity of the parliamentarian, trying to reach as much as the community leaders to make them aware about the importance of women participation and how it could impact on the peace talks.
Women's Initiatives for Gender Justice and the Witness Program have launched a 3-year video advocacy program in September to highlight and combat injustices committed against women in armed conflicts. This year, 4 more states have become states parties to the ICC, bringing the total number of members to 114. The Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court incorporates a gender perspective to ensure that women who are victims of the gravest crimes under international law have access to justice, and that women have an active role in the ICC. It also serves as a model of international best practices for national legal systems to follow. Afaf Kanja, South News, United Nations.